Alright, I broke my pedal gears yesterday, and I checked, and I broke like one of the parts I didn't make. Like I gotta go fix it.
Oh no, Dad's going crazy.
I snapped off some important parts. There should be 3 of these. This thing is, I wrecked it pretty good. That was a planetary gear thing from a drill. But I've also got one from a bicycle thing. And this is stronger. It's significantly stronger. It's just built better. I mean, partly because it's made to handle people pedaling. So I'm gonna figure out I'm gonna use this instead. Hate broken things. Kids, go clean up the house or something, or take care of yourselves. Jeez, that'd make a good robot arm. Alright, now that is at least 4 times as strong as it used to be. Okay, I melted this thing so it would fit on here, because this is a smaller diameter than the other thing. And this whole thing should be 4 times as strong as the other one. Got this riveted on here nice and strong. And I rummaged around in my propellers and I found one that's like halfway between the pitch of the first one I was trying on this and then the last one I was trying. Because one was too easy, one was too hard, so hopefully this one's good. Hopefully this doesn't get too many bubbles when I'm going. Right now I'm kind of pulled up on the beach and my weight isn't in the boat. Whole sick family, we have like some kind of flu or something. But yeah. Okay, not everyone is sick. Alright, you wanna try it? Pedal. Definitely moving. Okay, forward. Remember, you have the steering. The steering's right there. Yeah.
Where should we go?
Go that way. Yeah, now go. Yeah, we're getting lots of bubbles, probably because I'm sitting in the front of the boat, so I'm lifting the back of the boat. It should be better when I go back there. But even with a bit of bubbles, it's still there. It's going all right. Straighten out. Get some speed. Straighten. Yeah. You keep pedaling. You need more practice. Put your hand. Put one hand on the steering. Yeah. And you can just put your elbow on the edge there.
Okay, go.
All right. My turn.
Don't break, don't break, don't break. I'm pretty sure this one won't break. I still have clearance on the side there, right? Not gonna hit. Alright, I think I'm fine. Oh, this is actually really good. Yeah, this is... I'm still getting some bubbles. I probably want to put the... Well, I can either put the propeller down a little more or put like a streamlined thing on this pipe, because this pipe is going through the water and, you know, messing it up. But if I put something streamlined, it won't put bubbles into the propeller. But I'm just not going to worry about it at the moment. It's going pretty well. We just saw some dolphins up here. Yeah, that's about the right pitch propeller. Like, I don't feel like my legs are flailing around. It's not so hard to pedal that I'm like stalling out. Get my sunglasses out here. You see the oil tankers way over there? Alright, let's do full speed test. I know my propeller's not optimal at the moment because it's getting bubbles, but let's see how quick we can get anyway. Well, that was super good, except right here. I wish I'd noticed. I lost all my rollers and my little roller bearing here because these fell out. I didn't really glue them in very well. I only had rubber cement. However, now I have some PVC cement, so I guess I'll go make some new rollers, put them in there, and glue these in there for real. Yeah, really, really, really good. Alright, little rollers, get in there. I'm losing them in my pocket. 2 left to spare. Didn't really count them before I made them. There are 2 rings in here. That way I can put 1 ring in next to the rollers. And then the second ring gets the glue. That way no glue gets on the rollers. I think I have to take this for a test drive again. Alright, let's go play for a bit. Oh, let's go check out the coral. Some coral right up here. Alright, now I just need to drive this thing a lot. And not really try to break it, but kind of try to break it. And hopefully I can, you know. And that's the difference between like a proof of concept and a thing you can really use. Instead of big breaks. So far this is looking pretty good. Let's go visit the bird school. This guy stayed. Where's he going? Nope. One guy stayed.